You know the words, but when a stranger talks to you, your mind goes blank. This lesson is for beginner English learners who freeze in real conversations. By the end, you'll know exactly what to say when someone starts talking to you. Miss one phrase today, and you might avoid conversations for months. Brian, what happened last time someone talked to you at a coffee shop?
Oh man, I just smiled and nodded, didn't say anything.
Right? That's so common. Today, we'll fix that. First situation. A stranger says, "Hi, how are you?" What do most beginners say?
I'm fine, thank you.
Exactly, and that works, but it sounds like a textbook. Americans usually say, "I'm good, thanks." It's shorter and more natural.
Just, I'm good?
Yep, sometimes we add, "How about you?" That keeps the conversation going. Practice. Say, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?"
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Perfect. Say it again.
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Beautiful. Now, they might answer, "I'm good too," or "Not bad." You don't need to say much, just nod and smile. But what if they ask something else?
Like what?
Nice weather today, right? That's super common in America. Weather is safe, easy topic.
I never know what to say to that.
Just agree. Say, "Yeah, it's really nice," or "Yeah, it's beautiful today." Simple.
That's it?
That's it. Americans talk about weather all the time, at the store, at the bus stop, everywhere. You can also say, "Yeah, finally some sunshine," if it was bad before.
What if I don't want to talk, like I'm tired or busy?
Good question. You can be polite but short. Say, "Yeah," and smile. Then look at your phone or put your headphones in. That's the American way of saying, "I'm done talking."
That doesn't seem rude.
Not if you smile. Body language matters a lot here. Now, second situation. Someone says, "Excuse me, do you know where the bathroom is?" You know where it is. What do you say?
It's over there?
Close, but over there is vague. Better to say, "Yeah, it's down the hall on the left," or "It's upstairs next to the elevator."
What if I don't know?
Say, "Sorry, I'm not sure," or "Sorry, I don't know." Americans say sorry a lot. It's polite.
Even if it's not my fault?
Exactly. It just means, "I wish I could help." Practice. Say, "Sorry, I'm not sure."
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Great. Say it again.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Nice. Now, third situation. You're in line at the store. Someone behind you says, "This line is so slow." They're not really asking a question, they're just complaining.
What do I do?
You can agree. Say, "I know, right?" That's very American. Or say, "Yeah, it's taking forever."
I know, right? That's interesting.
It means I agree with you. We use it all the time. Try it. Say, "I know, right?"
I know, right?
Perfect. You sound like a native speaker already. Now, last thing. How do you end a conversation with a stranger?
Just walk away?
No, that's rude. Say, "Okay, have a good one," or "All right, take care." Then you can leave.
What's have a good one?
It means have a good day, but shorter. Very casual. Americans love it.
So I can say that to anyone?
Anyone. The cashier, someone at the gym, a neighbor. It works everywhere.
What if they said something nice to me, like a compliment?
Say, "Thanks, I appreciate it," or just "Thanks so much," then smile.
This is way easier than I thought.
Right? You don't need fancy words, just be friendly and simple. One more thing, if you didn't hear what they said, don't panic. Say, "Sorry, what was that?" or "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Not, can you repeat?
That sounds too formal. "What was that?" is better.
Got it.
Okay, quick review. Someone says hi. You say,
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
"Nice weather today, right?"
Yeah, it's really nice.
They complain about something.
I know, right?
And when you leave,
Have a good one.
perfect. You're ready. Now go practice. Talk to someone this week. Start small. Say hi to a cashier or agree about the weather. It gets easier every time. Here's my question for you. What's one place you want to practice talking to strangers? Coffee shop, grocery store, bus stop? Leave a comment. And if this helped, subscribe for more real English lessons. Thanks for listening.